Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create glowing text effect in CapCut apps. Alright, so for example, I'm going to open my project and go to text, add text. So you can resize, and I'm going to lasting text. So to make it glowing, you are just going to select style and select glow and select um, glow type and change body color and adjust for intensity, range, and etc. And just click check mark, and you can see for the final result like this. Right, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.